I am super excited because today I get to open up this whole case of Lucky Emma blind boxes. Lucky Emma is a beautiful brand featuring a bunny character named Emma. Today I'm going to be opening up the Secret Forest Perfume Discovery set, which I am so excited about because it features an Emma character with lavender. As you may know, lavender is my favorite color, my favorite flower, and my second name, so when I saw the lavenders on this design, I was like, not only does this set have a beautiful lavender design, it has a bunch of other beautiful designs as well, including 2 other purple figures. So fingers crossed that today I will be able to achieve my chase figure of the lavender figure and also the other 2 purple figures. Then we've got 5 other designs that aren't purple but are stunning. And then you'll see there are actually 2 secret designs. So these are quite rare, quite hard to get. I looked on the website and one of them looks like a perfume and the other looks like a puppy. So it would be awesome to see those, but every single design you can get in this series is absolutely stunning, so I am just so excited to get them out and see them in their full figure form. Now this box was actually very kindly gifted to me by the people at Lucky Emma. They reached out and asked me if there were any Lucky Emma products I'd like to unbox with you, and I said, oh my goodness, this set is like a dream come true. So thank you so much to the people at Lucky Emma for making this video possible. If you would like to get any of the figures from this series, check out luckyemma.com. Alright, let's get into this unboxing. Alright, it is time for blind box number 1. There's some perforated bits at the back here. Open it up. Ooh, the bag containing the figure has the artwork on it as well. And our first figure looks like the mossy one. Oh my goodness, it's actually mossy. Okay, not like real life moss, but all the bits where you can see it looks mossy, it actually has a flocked texture, so it feels soft and fuzzy as if moss is actually growing out of the cape. I was not expecting that. So this one is appropriately named the moss design. The only other name it could have, I think, would be the mushroom design, because it has all these cute little mushrooms growing out of the cape, and also, you might have noticed, a giant mushroom hat. I love the way this mushroom hat has so many different shades of red. It's been painted so beautifully. I'm also loving the antlers growing out of the hat with these little leaves on the end. The attention to detail on this is just gorgeous. We look on the bottom, you can see it's got an Emma stamp there. Okay, let's open up blind box number 2. This one feels quite heavy. And we've got some blue. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! It's the lavender. It's the lavender! Let's get her out of the bag. How is she even more magical than she looks in the photo? I'm kind of at a loss for words because this is just so beautiful. Look how pretty she is. When I was looking at photos of this design, I was not paying enough attention to these gorgeous wings she has. She's got these really pretty wings going across her face and then a second set covering her body. They're super detailed, you can see individual feathers, and they have this pearlescent shiny paint so you can see them shimmering in the light. It is just so pretty. You know what else is pretty? The actual lavender flowers. So we've got the stunning lavenders. I love that they actually made each of the individual lavender petals part of the mold of the figure. Like, they could have just painted them on, but they are 3D and detailed. And they've also got this beautiful gradient from blue to purple. I love how her hair grows up into a point like the lavender flowers. And oh my goodness, she actually has heterochromia, 2 different colored eyes. She also has a pretty heart nose, and then she's sitting in what kind of looks like a cracked egg, almost like she's just hatched. You can see some green grass below her. Oh, I also love this little detail here. It's like she's got a piece of jewelry dangling from her hair. Just stunning. I'm so happy. Moving on to blind box number 3. I'm hoping for the other 2 purple designs. Oh, I think we've got the design that's featured on the packaging. Yes, we do. Oh, wait, no. No, this is the musk design. It has a lot of similarities to the box design, but the box design is actually the sandalwood design. And we are looking at musk right now. This one has quite a red and blue design. The prettiest hat with all these little blue bows. Then it has red and blue bows with a gold flower in the middle. That is so pretty. The detail on these figures, you just so intricate. You can see this collar on the back. It's got ruffles around the end and flowers on the corners, and she's got these ribbons. And if we actually turn to the front, she's got plants growing out from under her collar. How whimsical, how magical. I'm loving all these little gold details that are hanging off the ears, hanging off her bow, on her head, another gold detail here, and on the ends of the cape. Antlers are super cute. All these ruffles, there are so many beautiful lacy ruffles. And then I love the feet. They all have such cute feet. A big round paw and then little claws coming off the end. Musk, you can sit over here and we will move on to blind box number 4. Who is our 4th design gonna be? I can feel a little detail up here. I'm thinking this might actually be the pumpkin design. And oh my gosh, I think I was right! That was a good guess! It is indeed the pumpkin design, which is actually called the Amber design. Our friend Amber is so cute. She has a magic wand with a flower on it. And then you can see the orange flowers repeated throughout her design, including on the pumpkin stem here. They all have such pretty eyes. This one has amber colored eyes with the purple eyelids. I love her little paws. We've got heart paws. Absolutely adorable. She's got an orange dress on and then a green cape, which looks very leafy and matches her pumpkin hat super well. So that is half the designs open. I still really want to open Iris and Tonka Bean. We haven't seen Sandalwood or Jasmine, and we haven't seen either of the secret ones. Alright, let's see what we have in box number 5. Whenever I'm opening up blind boxes, I always like to open up some upside down so I can keep the box as part of a display. So this one is opening upside down. Design number 5. Here we go! We have the box figure! This is Sandalwood. I did not realize how many purple details she has on her. How beautiful! I'm loving her crown. It is so pretty. So many gold details on these designs. Look at these tassels. All the gold outlines on her outfit are just stunning. We've got all these tiny little engraved marks. The attention to details in this is top tier. Every time I move this doll to a different angle, I notice a new detail. Thank you for being with us, Sandalwood. You can take a seat over here and we will open up blind box number 6. Now this one feels really, really heavy. I'm gonna guess this is Tonka Bean because she looks like she has a lot of details that would be a bit heavier than your other designs. Oh no, I did this so I could keep the box and I just ripped the front. That's a shame, but oh well. Figure number 6. Is it Tonka Bean? Oh, it's definitely got some purple features in it. It's not Tonka Bean, it's actually Iris, the other purple design. This is even more beautiful than I thought. I did not realize she was so purple. So this is actually the Iris design. You cannot tell from the picture just how purple she is. This is stunning. Oh my goodness. She is just a glorious flower rabbit. She's literally got a purple flower growing around her neck. I love how these lighter ones come up and frame her face. She is wearing a beautiful purple bonnet, which has, oh my goodness, I need that purple bow to wear in my hair in real life. She's got the same on the other side, and then going across the top, it has this beautiful purple and purple band. Then it's got a spot for her super cute ears. I love the silver on the end. I also love the way she's got this pink just delicately touched on the bottom of each of her limbs. And then beneath the purple flower is actually a black flower, or maybe this is a cape. Whatever it is, stunning. I love the crinkly bits around the edge and her little cottontail pointing through. I just love the overall flowing flower look this one has. I was excited about the purple designs, but I did not expect to like them as much as the lavender one. They are equally beautiful. Some of the best blind box figures I've ever opened. Thank you to the people at Lucky Emma for sending me this box. We still have 2 figures left. The figures I haven't opened are Tonka Bean and then also Jasmine. This is box number 7. I'm attempting to open it cleanly from the bottom this time. This one feels really heavy also. Also, maybe this is the Tonka Bean design. Oh yeah! Oh my goodness, this one is so purple too! Where do I even start? Oh my goodness. This one might be the most detailed of all of them. How many tiny details can we spot? We've got bows on the ears with these beaded tassels dangling down, and we've got silver sparkles on the face matching the silver pendant on the face. Silver details on the collar here, a little star on this tag dangling off the collar. Then we've got these bows, which you can see individual ribbons for, and big black beads on the end. They look a little bit like cherries. They're so cute. We've got the super cute heart feet, a tail on the back. Oh my goodness. It's a curly tail. That's so cute. Silver details on the back of the cape, also black beads dangling off the end of the cape. This big hat has silver details as well. It's almost like a graduation hat. It has these beautiful ribbons. Look at that gradient. Oh my goodness. This is just gorgeous. Look how stunning these two look next to each other. What a dream come true. This is a purple lover's dream. Oh, I forgot to get out the card. Here is the Tonka Bean card, which brings us to the final box of the day. Box number 8, another quite heavy one. So this should either be Jasmine or it still could be one of the secret designs. And who is it? Oh, I think it is Jasmine. 2 pieces in this one. Oh, look at her little bunny. So the bunny has a magnet, so you can just snap her into place on the Jasmine doll. She is super pretty and super detailed as well. Here is her card. I'm loving these white flowers that she has, and the bunny even has a matching flower. All the blue ribbons you see on her super pretty bows, they're all in this beautiful metallic blue, which really shines in the light. Then she's got this really cute jumper that's got lacy sleeves. It's got a lacy collar. Her bonnet has lace around the ears. On the back, you can see the stunning lace work. The engraving of these ruffles is so detailed. She's also got her cottontail poking through on the back. She's got green eyes and blue eyelids, and then her bunny has blue eyes. A super pretty design to finish off our Secret Forest Perfume Discovery Collection. Did not get any secret ones, but I'm not worried because we got the beautiful Lavender girl and these stunning 2 purple designs, which were even more purple than I expected. The whole set looks absolutely stunning together. Thank you so much to the people at Lucky Emma for sending these over to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you with another unboxing video again very soon. Bye!